In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect LG home theater wireless speakers. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up speakers and your home theater. It is simple to do and you will be able to do it wirelessly. So this will usually involve pairing them or pairing the main unit with a wireless receiver or something similar. So for this particular model of LG home theater, as you can see, they have the pairing button available at the back. So it is going to be this tiny hole. You might have to use a specific tool to reach into this hole here, and then once you press this button down for a few seconds, the light at the front of the unit, standby/link, will begin blinking, usually blinking green to indicate that it is searching for nearby devices to pair with. Now all that you have to do is enable Bluetooth on your set of speakers or additional device. Once Bluetooth has been enabled, usually by pressing a specific button or by using a remote, you should see some indication that it is also looking for Bluetooth devices to pair with. So you will see a message like Bluetooth ready, you will see lights blinking, something similar, like I said, to indicate that it is trying to pair with another device. Now leave these two in close proximity and they should automatically pair between themselves. The standby/link light at the front of the unit will now be a stable color, usually green, indicating that the connection was established properly, and it is going to remain this way. They will be connected wirelessly and any audio will be sent through accordingly. It is simple to do. You will be able to control the volume, and all that you need to do is press the pairing button at the back of your unit. Of course, if you have a different one, the pairing button might be located elsewhere, or you might have to do a different combination of buttons to get this to work. But the simple gist of it is that you should enable pairing mode on both devices. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.